guys are doing. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you for tuning into RB4058 Nails Creations. Thank you. And if you have not, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below. Again, you guys, I am almost to 500 subscribers. So right now I believe it's still 416. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you've been liking the nail content I've been putting out here. Any of the videos, please drop the go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You would not be disappointed. So also too, I think I'm gonna start doing some shout outs, like to the first person that comment or the first person to say anything. So I might start doing that, including that in here. So yeah, and thank you again for all the condolences for when I was feeling ill. All words of encouragement, not condolences, but I'm sorry, words of encouragement of me feeling better. I'm sorry, you guys, I was down for almost a week. Well, actually about 4 days I was down. So, but I am feeling much better. As you can see, it's still a little bit in my voice, but not completely there. So, and as promised, I want to just get out here and just, bring some nail content to you all. So, but yeah, let's jump right into it. So today's video is about Born Pretty. They reached out to me, and I'm so glad that I'm doing this because Amazon is having their Prime Week on October the 10th and the 11th. So this is right in time for this, and I'm gonna put all the links and everything in the description as promised. So yes, I will put everything down in the description below. So because they do have like I said, Amazon's having a Prime Week, so they're gonna have early. Right now I think they got early deals already, but I'm gonna link this set in there, and this will be at a discounted price, that you can purchase from Amazon. So let's get right into it. So they sent me some gel polishes, as they always do. And I just got, and the set I chose was a fall set I chose. So, and I love these fall colors. I did peep at them already, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out here right now. I did swatch these already too as well, just to speed up the process of these videos. So I'm going to try to do that as much as possible as I can. But I will show you guys the color, how they look and all that, and how they swatch for me, And I will be doing a set today as well. So we're going to see what I come up with. So let's put this to the side right here. So let me get these in order. And I forgot what collection this is, but if I do remember, I would link everything in the description below. Definitely link everything in the description. So these are the colors right here, side by side. I'm sorry, I was trying to get them all together, but these are the colors right here, side by side. So this one is BPMC01. And it's a really pretty fall nude, not nude, but like a beige brownish color, but that's the number of the color. And like I said, I did swatch these already, and I'm going to show you that swatch right here, and that's the color for that BP01. That's it right there. And then we're going to get into the other colors. So the next one right here, I'm just moving along, just trying to, move a little fast. And this is BPMC02. Another pretty orange-like color, definitely for the fall. And this is 02. And as I stated, I did swatch these already off camera. That's 02. And that's how that's looking. And I just want to say I did use 2 coats of the polishes, and they are very nice, very pigmented. You only need like 2 coats, 2 thin coats, nothing no more than that. And this is BPMC03. I'm sorry, I'm just moving a little bit too fast here. But this is a pretty glitter color, which I love. This is really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use this today, but let me just show you the color right here. And it's real pretty, really pretty. I just think this is so cute. And like I said, it definitely gives you those fall vibes. And then this one is BPMC04. And another pretty, just like reddish color. Definitely that brownish red color. And that's what that is right there. And that's BP04. And this is BPMC05. It's definitely that red berry, like a cranberry color. And it's so pretty, just so pretty. And it's a swatch for that. And then we're gonna go with the next one right here. This one is BPMC06, and this is a brown, like a dark, like a caramel brown, like a chocolate brown, I want to say. To me, it's like a chocolate brown. And that's the color right there. So these are all the colors right here. I do like them. Like I said, they swatch very well. I only use 2 coats of these colors. 2 coats, and I don't have any top coat or Born Pretty. I would love if they could send me some top coat. That would be wonderful. But yeah, but I used my other top coat for these when I swatched them. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do a set today. When I come back, I'm going to have on my nails on already. So just to make this video a little bit faster. But I do want to say, when you want to do your nails and you want them to last, whether you're doing full cover tips, poly gel tips, or even acrylic, you always want to prep your nails. You definitely want to push back your cuticles, get out those dead skin, so like around the cuticle. As you can see, like mine's right here, it does have sun, but I'm gonna go further detail in it in another video. That I'm gonna start doing like my extended gel, like builder gel in the bottle video. So I will show another video of me going more in depth of me, more in depth with me doing, fully prepping the nail. But you always want to definitely fully prep your nail, whatever you're doing. Push back your cuticles, get up that dead skin, filing, your nail bed down, getting any extra gel or oils off the nail bed. Just make sure it's nice and dry, and make sure you have dehydrated and primer and all that stuff. I'm sorry I hit my phone there, right there. So yeah, I just want to say that real quickly, because I know in the last video I didn't really explain it, but I just want to say that quickly, knowing the details, what you need to do to prep your nails so your nails can fully last for that 3 to 4 weeks period of time. And again, that's any nails that you're doing, whether it's gel X nails, whether it's poly gel, whether it's dip powder, whether it's acrylic, whatever, you make sure you want to fully, prep your nails so they can last long. So yeah, so the next part of me coming back, like I said, I'm gonna have the tips already on, and you guys will see me choosing what colors I'm going to choose. And like I said, it's going to be an easy design. I'm thinking leaves, so that's what I have in mind. So I think I'm going to do some leaves nail art today. It'll probably be some nail stickers. But hey, either way it goes, it's nail art. So yeah. So I'm going to come back with the nails already on, and we're going to get into the polishes and the nail art. So enjoy this next part of the video. Okay everyone, so I am back, and these are how the nails came out. And they came out so cute. Oh my goodness, look at them. They came out so cute. And here's the thumb. I do my thumb off camera because I do my thumb for my TikTok and my Instagram. But the thumb is off camera, but this is how the thumb is looking. And make sure you also follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok accounts as well. Go show me some love over there, and like, and make sure you drop a comments in there as well. But yeah, these are how the nails came out. They came out so cute. I really truly like them. Yes, we do. I love them. Yeah, they came out so cute. So huge thank you to Born Pretty for sending me out this. And again, I'm going to link everything in the description below. Amazon is having a Prime week, so this will be going on sale during a Prime, which is Prime is October 10th and 11th. So the link for the discount for this will be linked. That's going to be in the description. Will also where you can go available and purchase that on Amazon, which is they're going to have that discount for this set. So yes, so yeah, definitely you don't want to miss out. Last time I missed out on the Prime, and I not missed out this time because I missed out on the last time. So and Amazon Prime is October 10th and 11th. So these nails came out so pretty. I really truly like them. Yes, they came out so cute, so cute. So the fall is here. The fall is definitely here. Even though fall is not my favorite season, I love summer. Summer is my favorite season. I love it. Not only that my birthday is in the summer, but I just love the summer. I just love just being out, going down the beach, you know, sandals, you know, dresses, just being out and about. I don't know, I just love that summer feel, that summer, you know, the summer rain, all that good stuff. So I just love summer. But you know, if I had to choose between seasons, I definitely, you know, summer is top. You know, spring, and then, you know, fall is probably like the third. I don't like the winter. Ugh, can't stand the cold. But where I live at, I gotta deal with it. So, but that's another story, another time. So yes, but yes, let me know what you like about these nails. If you like anything about them, let me know in the comments down below. Please drop some leaves down there, drop some fall colors, some fall orange or some yellow or green hearts, you know, in the comments down below, and let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate you guys always for tuning into my channel. And again, shout out to all my new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming here. You are going to love it here. I guarantee you're going to love it. You're going to love the content that I bring to the channel. And if there's any questions or anything, you would definitely drop this in the comments down below, and I'll be glad to answer them. Or, you know, I try my best to interact with everyone as much as possible. So yes, and again, we're almost to 500 subscribers. Once I reach 500, I will be doing another giveaway. So you don't want to miss out on that giveaway for 500 subscribers. So I know we can do this. So let's get there, because we can definitely do this. So 500 to 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. You know, try my best to grow this channel as much as possible, because, you know, I love interacting with you guys. Yeah, I really, really, truly do. So again, thank you so much to everyone. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Again, huge thank you to Born Pretty for sending me this fall beautiful set. I really do love the colors. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. But again, I'm sorry. Before I say goodbye, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, butterflies. Bye.